Wickkidrva.
Okay, so I'm really not sure how I go about doing this. Hold on, why is that there? All right, so we are coming up on about 8 months. If you have followed me on my journey, you will know that I have made some congos and then start designing them and things like that, putting beads on. So yeah, we're coming up on a year, and this is what it looks like. Now, also, if you know, I wear my locks messy. I do not wear my locks I don't wear them neat. So yeah, this is what it looks like. They blocked my last video, so I'm doing this video, and this is the back. I don't know if I'm doing it, but hopefully you've seen it. But yeah, that's the back. I don't know what's that. I don't know, but anyway, yeah. So I just wanted to show that, and also I have a 6-month undercut that I'm growing out. I've been growing this out for about 6 months. So this is straight. I'm not sure what YouTube is doing with the video. They was like saying it was blocked or something like that. And on this side, same thing. I also had dropped my fade, so these are like, you know what I'm saying, yeah, right underneath what I have put up in these locks. And yeah, so this is what it looks like. Alright, yeah, also I got braids in it. Yeah, like I said, I will see you waiting on December, and then by that time it will be about a year. Well, it'll be a little over a year in December, and that is when I'm gonna do something with these. And then you're gonna see how I look, and myself will witness how great I'm gonna look like, you know, after I get all of them in. So Hakuna Matata and things like that. Thank you for your time.